go again.
In this video, we will quickly go over the 3 easy steps needed to passively make money with Dohnut Farms. Step 1. Join. It's free and easy to join. Get up and running today. Step 2. Promote. Use your referral link, which embeds a cookie in the browser of anybody who clicks. The cookie stays in their browser permanently, so if they purchase on Dohnut Farms at any time after clicking your link, you get 10% commission. Whether you are a large marketplace, content site, social media influencer, or blogger, we have other simple linking tools to meet your advertising needs and help you monetize. Step 3. Earn. Get up to 10% in commissions on successful referrals. Earn commissions from all qualifying purchases, not just the products you advertised. Plus, our competitive conversion rates help you maximize your earnings. Don't wait. Make supplemental income with Dohnut Farms today. Click the link in the description to get started.
Here we go again.